सामान्यामलक्षण स्रोतोरोधबलभ्रंश गौरवानिलमूढताः आलस्यापक्तिनिष्ठीवमलसंगारचिक्लमाः. When you are saying about the Samanya Amalakshana, Srotorodha Balabhramsha Gaurava Anila Modhataha Alasya Apivamalasanga Aruchiklama. So these are the Lakshana that are being mentioned. In today's video, we are going to discuss the concept of Alasya and its relation with Ama. So whenever the term Alasya, it refers to the lethargy or laziness. When you say about this particular symptom, this indicates some amount of the macromolecules they are present in the body. As we are going to consume the food substances, they will be usually usually in the macromolecular form. When you think about the most of the diseases, I said they are going to be manifested because of the presence of ama in the body. So that means, so more than 95% of the cases, the person will be having either athyashana. So that means the ingestion of the food before the digestion of the previously ingested meal, or it may be vishamashana. That means the person will be having the irregular pattern of the consumption of food in relation to quantity and timing, or it may be samashana, where the person will be consuming wholesome and unwholesome diet together at a particular time, or that may be viruddhashana, where the person is going to consume incompatible food substances. So, and lastly, the atyashana, where the person is going to consume large amount of the food at a particular time period. Because of all these different reasons, so the person will be having the presence of the macromolecules in the more concentration in the alimentary canal. This will be leading to the less movement or the slower movement of the macromolecules in the alimentary canal, so which is resulting in the heaviness of the alimentary canal itself. Either the person may be having heaviness in the stomach, or the person may have heaviness in the small intestine, or the person may develop heaviness in the large intestine. So because of the inflammatory reaction that is going to happen in the small stomach or small intestine, large intestine, there may be a possibility of transport of these macromolecules from the alimentary canal into the intravascular compartment. So which is resulting in the slower movement to happen in the intravascular compartment. So like that, the presence of the macromolecules that can happen either in the alimentary canal or in the intravascular compartment also, which will be resulting in the some kind of the lethargy that can happen in the body. Further, because of the any kind of the nidana, for example, if the person is doing the excessive exercise in relation to upper limb, etc., there will be the possibility of transport of these macromolecules into the upper limb itself, which in turn results in the heaviness to happen in the in the arms itself or in the upper limb, which may later the person may have lethargy to happen in the upper limb itself. That means either interstitial compartment or intracellular compartment of the upper limb. So like that, whenever there is the concentration of macromolecules are increased in any part of the body, that will be resulting in the the lethargy to happen in that particular part. So whenever there is the inflammatory reaction that is happening in the stomach, maybe due to viruddhashana or samashana, etc., this will be resulting in the increased proteins to be present, to be secreted in the stomach lumen because of the inflammatory reaction. This will be resulting in the, again, additional factor along with macromolecules to have an increased lethargy to happen in the alimentary canal. Further, there may be a possible inflammatory reaction to happen in the area where these macromolecules, etc., they will be moving. Thereby, the person may have inflammatory reaction in the area where these macromolecules are being present, either in the intravascular compartment or in the interstitial compartment or in the intracellular compartment. So that means there may be a possibility of increase of Guru Guna, Snigdha Guna, Shita Guna and Manda Guna may be possible. Because of all these reasons, the person may have the Alasya or lethargy to happen. Actually, this is a subjective complaint itself. This cannot be perceived by the clinician by the visualizing through the naked eyes or simple eyes. The person cannot able to perceive it. That's why it is little bit difficult until unless the person is saying I am having the lethargy, etc., when he is having the ama in the body. That's all for today. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box below. And what is the one video that you would like to hear in the coming days? Mention in the comment box below and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Ayurveda learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. That's all for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.